Hello, and welcome to Phantom Dev VR. I'm Andrew, and let's get into it tonight. So yeah, I need to work on some stuff that I was finishing or started last time. I got some more teleport gun related things to work on tonight. At least that's what I'm calling it. Teleport gun. Make sure everything's running good before I get into it. Nice, chat's up and running. Cool, I forgot to update some of the stream information, but that's okay. Check the stream, compute, okay, everything's looking good. I think we're good. Alrighty then. Well, make sure I've got... Okay, yeah, I do even have my Steam VR up this time. You know what I keep forgetting to do, though? I really should install... So I'm going to exit Steam VR in there for just a second. Let the stream come up and stuff anyways first. Yeah, I don't know if I like how this chat is just like in my face. Where Steam never came back. There it is. VR. Oh, don't buy it. VR toolkit. Does look good though. I need to look into that more. I'll worry about that some other time then. Awaiting wireless connection. All right. Boop. Here we are. Got our transport gun here. The only thing I did since last time was I added this handy placement layer. You've got the transport layer and the placement layer because you might want slightly different layers for the things that you can pick up opposed to where you want to be able to put them down. There's probably going to be some slight differences in layers for those. So I have 2 of those. This wasn't working how I wanted it to, though. Hit, transform, position. What can I get from a raycast hit? I think I need to know more about raycast hits. We have hit point. I think that's what I was looking for. And then I could do the same thing with a... Oh, you can't do normal. Move... Local rotation? No, you can only just move rotation. Hit dot normal. Yeah, and you can't turn it into a quaternion. That's the problem with doing that. So that one I still gotta figure out, but I think this will equate a better location than I had before. And let's see here, you're allowed to hit ship interior or transport. And I think transport is the only one I want to be able to pick up right now. I am kind of curious how this affected it, but I don't want to jump in right away. Let's take a look through and see if there's anything else we can do. I know I'm going to need to match the rotation of the normal. So how was I doing that? Laser turret. Let's see here. Quaternion look rotation. Interesting. Dot look. I think I can do that. See, there's move rotation, and there's just rotation, but that doesn't. Could I do this? I mean, it's happening every frame, so we should be fine. And in this scenario, I've kind of turned off the rigid body. Or at least I should have. Not really turned off, but I've turned it kinematic. What? Where are we doing this? Gotta refamiliarize myself with this. So when we dematerialize, rigid body, get component, box controller. Oh, deactivate box segments. Here we go. Is kinematic false? So yeah, I am setting that. But it should be fine. Should be fine. Or can I do... where is it? Transport gun. Okay, here we go. I wonder if we could do... move rotation, and then we do quaternion dot look rotation hit dot normal. So let me do that. Hey, look at that. Okay, that I want to test to see if it works. So, here we go. We're going to pop in. Restart my Steam connection. Come on. Here we go. There we go. What's going on? Okay. Yeah. I mean, that's, yes, 100% that's working. That's amazing. There's some weirdness here and there. Not sure why that is happening. Which will be able to stack them like that. So they need to be able to interact with each other, but still, we're getting the desired effect here. They're in the walls. The transporter pad, and then send them out. Just a floating pad now. That's fine. Alright. The best textures in the world, but whatever, we're working with it. I think the asteroids are starting to look pretty good. Oh yeah, I gotta fix the sound still. Oops. Still let me just... Yep. Oh, we're somewhere weird. We're lost. There's nothing to give you any bearance on where you are. Other than the skybox. Not sure why it's doing that angle right there. Oh, it's just like that section of the floor. Okay, there's something weird with the floor there then. Not anything else. It's void. Alright. Need to keep charging. Alright, cool. So now we need to offset by half of the like full volume of the the whole thing. So, uh, yeah, that's gonna be a fun calculation. I don't know exactly how to do that one at this point, so it's not in the floor. Get measurements of object unity? I don't know what I'm supposed to be asking here. Render. Okay, they have renders. Render.bounds.size. Okay. Oh, then colliders. Collider bounds.size. And then you just half that. Render bounds.size. Curious. Bound size. There we go. You get back a vector 3. Okay, so in here then, we want it to do the position. Plus, we need the renderer of this. I think that's what we save to this. These are rigid bodies. Interesting. So I'm gonna have to take this. I'm going to have to get component from it. Need a Can I get it from the rigid body? Get rigid body size. Oops. Yeah, see, it wants you to use the render as well. So I'm probably gonna have to. Oh yeah, because every box is gonna have different. Ooh. This is a new fun problem. Just like we had to do this box controller. We need something on box controller to get the bounds of these boxes. They have the different box segments. You just add them all together, right? No, because yeah, no, because if they're in different orders, you're doubling up on different things. And it's an interesting problem. I'll think on it for a minute while I fix a thing I just noticed. Or the chat stuff goes off the side. I don't want. Okay. There we go. Yeah, I need a way to return their size. Well, let's start just by making the function. get box bounds. We're going to have to do a for each because we have to go over each one. And for each one, we need its... we need a collider. Not a collider. Well, we could use a collider. Or we can use the mesh. I don't think it really matters. I think if you look at the prefabs, they are... yeah. Everything's on the same mesh and collider are all on the same part. So mesh renderer equals box segment dot get component renderer. Okay. Then we say mesh dot bounds dot size. This needs to get saved to something. We need to make a const. Wow, I've been doing so much JavaScript today. I keep wanting to do const. I have to type it. I have to give it a type. You have to give it a type. Let's see here. We're gonna call this the overall size. That's gonna equal a vector1 0. And then this is going to get plus equaled into overall size. For now. Trying to think here. What do I... If I just... Oops, don't need that. I need the actual Unity. If I were to look at box 1 by 3, right? Where? -1 on the X. And 1 on the X. So the... You could do it like this. Overall size plus X size dot X, right? And then the other ones can be overall size dot Y. This is so sloppy. I will find a better way to do this. It's even yelling at me. Oh, whoops. And then we'll do this better at another time. Because if you just equal it, then it will just be this at the end, and then this is the only one that'll like increase based on them, because the other ones will just be the same box bounds. I just want to see if this gets me to where I'm going, and then I can kind of clean it up afterwards. I promise. So here we need a... Actually, I don't even know if I need to do it there. I can just do it right here. Oh wait, but we need component from you. We need to this dot get component box controller. That's gonna be a box controller. Again, I will find a better way to make this. Because you'll want to do this only when you're switching which item you're like projecting. once, and then you use that same reference every time for this, but I really don't want to figure all that out right this second. I just want to see if this part works. So if we go plus, what is it? We're always trying to go Y, right? Because Y is up. Yeah. So we want Y divided by 2. We're going to want box controller dot get box bounds. I just realized I never returned anything from this. We want to return a vector 3 from this. And at the end, we're going to return overall size. What don't you like? Oh, whoops. Return. How about me spelling return correctly? Okay. Get bounds box. Dot Y. Divided by 2. I gotta think about how I'm gonna... Because this... you know what? I can just do a vector 3 called new point. And it's gonna equal... point at first. New point, then dot Y is going to equal this. Right, and then we're going to take new point, and that's what we add here. Woo! That's a spicy little calculation. Not really, but we'll see if it works. So it should take my point and then say, hey, this box needs to be this many units higher up to not be clipping into the ground. I also don't know why it's not reactivating the box's gravity and kinematic settings. Like, I swear I'm doing it. We rematerialize, yeah, we're calling reactivate box segments. Use gravity true, is kinematic true. Can I just do it early? Maybe I have to do it before I do all the others. I don't know. Collider enable true. I don't know. I'm gonna have to test this and see how we do. Alright. Okay. Let's try them out. Not sure why they're vibrating continuously like that, but okay. Whatever, man. Hey, look at that. That's not quite right. You need it to be based on the normal. But as long as it's on the ground here, that works great. Oh no. It's getting a little off sometimes. It's weird. Yeah, it's gonna take some work. Yeah, when I do 2 at a time, it gets weird. Still. Yeah, I don't quite get what's happening there. It's kind of strange on me. Something's happening with that stored hit value that I'm doing. It's not updating or something. But it's almost the desired effect. You're getting at least the level off. I just need to start aligning it with the normal. I think. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Yeah, one of my big problems right now is I can't visualize what's happening, but I do need the Ray interactor to do the UI stuff. Not necessarily. I guess I can poke it. But I'm not doing any kind of line drawing right now. There is a line renderer. Should start doing something with that. I didn't even realize there's still a Ray interactor on that. Yeah. I wonder if I can just add that. Okay. Anything else needs to be filled out? Everything else looks pretty much the same. I mean, okay. Turn off the Ray interactor on the left hand and the right hand, and we're going to use the poke interactor just to play around. Poke. Yeah, and that one is straight. And the more I go up and do that, the more this gets off. I forgot to look at the padding, how it's working. Because yeah, while I'm walking around, it starts getting. Oh, look at that. Oh no. As I'm walking, it gets worse. It's like it does align with the wall, like I would think. It's just way out there for some reason. The Y offset is being weird. And the more I went that way, the worse it is. Okay. Interesting. We shall figure this out. Okay. New point here. Gets whatever hit dot point is. See, we're getting half. Oh, wait, that's why. It's doubling up. That should work way better now. Or way worse. I don't know. Your choice. That works perfect. Look at that. This one's weird on me for some reason. It's at least like staying in the right position even when I move, right? The more up I move or the down I move, the more it goes in or out of the wall. Weird. Maybe I should rotate it first? I think I should rotate it first and then move its position, right? I mean, it's every frame together. It shouldn't matter. But maybe it does because of the math. It moves it first and then does or rotates it first and then does a movement based on that rotation rather than the other way around. Let's just try it and see. Order does matter. Especially in math. Order does matter. Yeah, it still didn't help. It's like we're getting there. Starting to figure it out. See, like that worked perfect, but it won't go up and down. Just left and right. Shouldn't be able to like, oh, it did though. Interesting. Well, we're learning things. There's the teleport interactor too. XR controller. Oh, interesting. Okay. See, there's like a whole controller up here. Alright, well, whatever. We're going to turn that off for now. Okay, well, whatever. Should be good enough. Got all these. The thing is, yeah, now I'm like... I think I see what the problem is. 2 plus equals this. So you need to take whatever this is and add it into new points y, not replace y with it. Alright, let's see. Did I nail it this time? Okay. No line visible though. Oh wait, there it is. Hey! That's not right. Those walls aren't clear, but I don't really want it to be able to go on the walls. Just want flat surfaces and then the tops of these boxes. Floor is gonna have to be its own thing eventually anyways, so. It's got some weird tracking problems right now for some reason. Yeah. That's the idea. You're like, okay. Man, that got really choppy for me. Wi-Fi is not happy at the moment. Well, got the desired effect. I really should separate the floor out in the inner model. In fact, we could do it real fast. Oh, but I have to give its own layer. Right. Come on. Delta Flyer. It's been a little bit since I've opened up this file in Blender. It still has a weird look to it. See, like, what the heck is going on with the settings in this file? What the heck? None of my shortcuts are working properly. It's like I need all these to be their own thing. Pretty much up to here. How do you like move over? Frustrating. Yeah, not 100% on how the stairs thing is gonna work. I really want part of it, to be honest. Ship. Floor. Save that real quick. Now, we go into scenes and ship. You know what? It's probably my mouse that's making that happen. User, what did you do? Yeah, see, you switched over to the wrong. Just do default. We're gonna call this see, I want to put it up there, but whatever. Ship floor. And then I'm gonna need to tell my character. Some things are slightly different now. I need camera to render ship floor. I need you to be able to interact with the ship floor. Trying to make sure all the things. Let's see here. Colliders. Exclude. Oh, you know what? We probably should go back over to ship real quick and make sure ship exterior excludes layer ship floor. Okay. But now I should also just realize be able to turn this into a XR what is it called? Teleportation area. Okay. Match direction in Okay, well there's that. Let's see here. Left controller, right controller. We'll turn these back on. Whatever. And these are not really hurting anything. Doesn't make any difference. Okay. Oh, yeah. So now this transport layer I should be able to pick up. And then we want ship floor and transport layer to be the placement layers for them. Okay. Trying to mess around with it again. So I can only... Oh, nice. See, this is the intended. When I hit something like this, I need to tell it to put it on the top or the side and match. When it's on just the floor, it's one thing. You know, as a box controller, then I can do some things from there. But yeah. Interesting, when you can't place it somewhere, it just freezes where it's at. It should just not show, but... Okay. So 50... Can't hit anything up there. Can though. It's weird that it lets me hit it that far away, but I can't grab it that far away. Oh god, what was just happening there? What? It's just infinite boxes to the face. What? Oh man. Oh yeah, I can repeat that pretty effectively. I think because it's able to trigger off of itself. I didn't think about the fact that it's able to collide with itself in that situation or something, and it's just like, that was great. Just infinite boxes to the face. Alright. Well, I've been going for about an hour. I think I'm going to take my first break of the night. I'm glad I got at least the boxes showing somewhat what I want. I still need to figure out how to factor the normal in so that I'm always going up from where I'm hitting. So like if I hit sideways, I need to go up from it. It's up, right? But I don't know. I gotta figure out how that works. So, I don't think anybody's in the chat at the moment, but that's okay. Let's sit for a minute and just kind of look. Make sure the stream is working good. Looks like we're still running good. Cool. I don't know. Testing audio. Ooh, that looks off. How about now? See, mic still feels off. Okay. know how to fix that. Maybe this? That's why. Still seems off. Hello, hello. No. Fun. Here. This is the way we know for sure. Yeah, I don't know what to do. It is not happy with me. Yes? No? Maybe so? Testing? Oh well. I'm gonna take my break and I'll deal with this when I come back. Hopefully. All right, welcome back. Let's get into it. Hopefully the delay... Huh. We'll see. If I'm really tiny, it's hard to tell. All right. Come on. Okay, so... There we go. Yeah, it's probably going to change at some point, so who cares? Okay. This is going to be ship floor. Okay, so now we can place it there. Ship interior. And none of it is cool. So that should give us what we're looking for there. Eat some of the cookies. Okay. Good. How are we doing deliveries right now? Oh, I just have it on the stations, don't I? See, pickup sites give you these. Which I don't think I want to do that anymore. Just going to turn those off for the moment. As long as it's a delivery, layer transport. Interesting. I wonder if I'm using that. Because if not, I would rather it just be default. But I feel like I am. I feel like I'm using it. And I'm going to regret doing that. Let's take a look. Transport sensor, what you got? I just looks for tag. Does the condition manager have the... No, it's the physics one, right? Physics ship as the on trigger enters. But again, tag. So cool. I don't have to worry about layering then. In that case, it's just a tag that says, hey, this is a delivery. And you can deliver. Eventually I do want like a delivery script that talks to the game condition manager and knows what you're supposed to be delivering to that spot. Baby steps. And it places this at the beginning. Game scene manager. Ship condition manager. Move ship. Look at that. Right? Because if we look at... Yep. I'll start over by warp gate. I have no rotation, so I'll be facing away from everything, but whatever. Or I could just do... Honestly. And just have to fly my way back. So transporter. Interesting. What is this pulled in from? And oh, it's just a trigger. all those, I think I get it now. The 3x1 boxes are giving 3 points, which makes sense, I guess. They're bigger boxes. That's why I'm getting more than I thought for those. Okay. Well, I'm gonna remove these. We're gonna load in, put the boxes on the transport pad, and then try to deliver them. Just see if I can do the general thing I'm trying to get this thing to do. I have to restart my Steam connection. Still being a little janky at the moment for some reason. You guys are seeing. Okay. Yeah, this is the turbo lift. I think it's still honestly a little too big. It could be pulled in just a little bit. Okay. I am right in the middle of the nebula. Nice. Okay. Well, let's turn ourselves around. I'm actually going to put you up there. Oh. That almost looked like a floating pyramid for a second. Yeah, the quality's a little too low for how close it is. Fix the LODs on some of those. Ooh, barrel roll. Not too far. Okay. Slowly, I got my dots back. That always really helps. Then I can like point them in the right direction. Probably a little too far up. That's what you got there. I need this to show me when I'm in range of a pickup. Realize that. I need that to actually like tell me at a delivery point. My space station and my floating city buildings. Alright. And zero. Should be a safe place to go and check on the transport. It should say available. Not available. Urgh. Okay. Not sure why that didn't trigger right. let's take a quick look. See if we can figure it out. Let's reveal. We're at the docking station. Okay. Delivery. Okay. Console. I don't have anything that says hit delivery though. Interesting. My original fear correct? Triggers, transport. Delivery. Other tag delivery. Oh, why am I hitting that? Hit pickup, hit delivery. Oh, because it only works with transport? Okay. Oh, it ignores default, which is what it is. Hit delivery. There it is. Oh, okay. So now if I go back to game. Hey. Watch. Boop. No. Thought for sure I was going to get it. Why don't you want to transport now? Hit delivery. Transport system here. Yay. Missing collider. Oh, interesting. It did do something. Did I get points? Oh yeah, look at that. 84. Way more than I expected. I don't know how it did that, but okay. It did something. Oh jeez. Load did not. Ah, I don't know what that was. That was really weird. Oh, and those never despawned in between. Oh, that's so weird. There's no meshes on them. There's like these ones I can't walk into. Oh, there's got to be like a bunch of extra. Oh, there's 2 ships. Yeah. Weird. Bugs. Gotta love them. Alright, well. That does work. Like, it does a thing. Trying to think, like, why it didn't. Yeah, it should just destroy the whole object. When it goes, yeah, so you destroy teleport item list. I wonder if, yeah, there was already an issue with. Oh, but it's saving the collider, not the game object. So it's deleting all the colliders. Right, is that what I'm seeing here? So each one of these, I can do this dot game object, right? just destroy the whole object. Oh, wait. Same problem I was thinking of before. It's hitting the lower level of the cube, the higher level. They're under, like, especially the by 3 ones. So you're still gonna have, like, a top level object sitting there, technically. Fun. You gotta get a way to get back up, because you could say get component in parent. You get a box controller dot game object, and you destroy that. We're gonna try that. If that works, I'm gonna laugh, and I might call it a night at that point. I'm a little more tired than I was last time, and this is an extra stream. Should probably stay on later though. Last time, if I didn't stay on late, then people didn't pop up until later. We'll find out. For now, we're gonna test. My internet is freaking out. We're gonna fly there first. Oh, crap. I did it during runtime. So now... which one was it? It was ship exterior, not... It was excluding default. That was the problem. Alright, punch it. Woo! Actually, we're gonna turn the other way this time. Turn 2 axes at once. Where? This is the other problem I have right now. If I overshoot, I cannot find things. Or if I undershoot. Navigation is rough right now. Oh man, where is the thing I'm looking for? We'll find it. This is an adventure. Could have just gone the other way. It could be completely rotated for all I know. I'll find it eventually. Ah, there it is. Woo. Alright. Now we're making good time. Alright. Really need to get that working again. That might be next stream's, like next week's goal is getting the power system hooked back up again. I think it's hooked up, but it just like these don't work. These freaking dials are broken. Progress. Really wish there was sound. I don't understand why. That's okay. set. Coming in. Bring it down a little bit. Okay. Deliver these packages. That'll hit my wing there. Think I'll be fine. Yeah, see, I hit delivery console log, so that's good. Available, okay. Wonder if it's because of that too. It's the state that they come in at. But it's fine. We will. Hey! Transport it out. And 7. Cool. We delivered them. Oh, punched my microphone. Station's looking pretty good. I like the design. It's coming together. Alright, you got it. See, now I can fly around some slightly more complicated structures. So now I'm gaining too much momentum and I need to kind of cool it. Go this way. Okay. Correct that a little bit. Punch it. I am starting to think that I do kind of want the screens to be like up here initially. It's a rock. And those LOD changes are rough. No. Well, here we go. Ah. No explosion physics right now. At some point that will end your current play. You will blow up. This will probably smack my wing, yeah. Stuck. Let's fly around the rock. Okay. Oh, no. Hold on on that. No, there we go. We got this. Oh, bumped my wing. Good though, I got this. Doing good. Gonna need to pull back a little bit so we don't get over momentum around the end. Let's see. There we go, that's a little better. Woo! Alright. Gates over there. Cool. Things are really starting to come together. collision. Physics ship. It's like, oh, because I kept colliding with the rock. Well, awesome. That works. And yeah, I'm a little shy of my 2 hours that I normally run, but you know what? I'm gonna call that a victory for tonight. Not really getting much attention tonight anyways, which is fine. Kind of tired and low energy anyways. Man, the ship's really starting to feel good when flying around. You can kind of make small adjustments, and you can each stick that you have that you can grab onto is like you can assign your controls, so you can dial it in the way you like it. It's really coming together. And now the little transport gun. I can put rooms back in my ships now, so I can like move around the ship, pick up a box from one room and teleport it into another one. So I could have temperature controlled rooms again. All kinds of stuff that I wanted to do. And I was worried about having walls that you were going to bang against when you were picking boxes up. Concept's starting to come together. Alright, well, I think I had a good 2 streams this week. I will be back again next week on Tuesday and Thursday again. Trying to be consistent on those days since that's what's actually listed on my schedule. I think I can do it. We're going to get this game out and it's going to be awesome. Alright. You know what? Here, let's do this too, as usual. I will leave chat up while I do my get stuff for the night. Gotta back up your code. Transport gun. Aligning with floor and objects. It's probably a good way to go. Alright. Well. Code is pushed. Alright, well. Have a good night, everyone. I'll be back on Tuesday next week. See you then.